Have you ever noticed how the people who look the richest usually aren't? And the ones who quietly sit at the back of the room, wearing nothing flashy, speaking very little, often control more wealth than anyone realizes? I learned this the hard way through a small story I'll never forget. A friend of mine once posted a picture of his new car, nothing too fancy, just a $30,000 upgrade. But that single post changed everything. Relatives started calling for help, friends began asking for loans, and suddenly every conversation became about money. Within 6 months, his savings dropped by nearly 40% because he couldn't say no. That day he said to me, "I should have stayed silent. I didn't know success could attract so much chaos." Real wealth is built quietly but destroyed loudly. And the biggest reason most people lose financial peace is not because they earn less, but because they reveal too much. In today's video, I'll uncover powerful things you must never reveal if you want to build and protect stealth wealth, the kind of wealth that grows silently, safely, and steadily. If you're serious about building wealth and breaking free from money problems, hit that subscribe button. We've got powerful content lined up to fuel your journey. Let's begin. Number 1. Never reveal the exact amount of money you make. Income is one of the most emotionally charged pieces of information a person can reveal. The moment you tell someone you earn $150,000 or $500,000 a year, they instantly create a mental hierarchy. Suddenly, relationships change. People compare, people judge, people compete, and people expect. That expectation is the true enemy of stealth wealth. A rare behavioral finance insight reveals that people feel comfortable only with those who appear slightly above them financially. Anyone who appears too far ahead becomes a threat. This is why wealthy individuals never disclose income openly, not because they're secretive, but because transparency with the wrong audience invites silent jealousy, manipulation, or unrealistic responsibility. Most people make the mistake of revealing their income because they think it creates authority or validation. But the truth is that income is not an identity. Your real identity is built from your discipline, your work ethic, your investing strategies, and your ability to grow equity quietly and consistently. Ask yourself, if no one knew my income, would I still feel confident? If the answer is no, that's exactly why silence is power. Number 2. Never reveal how much you have saved or invested. Income is one thing, net worth is another. Savings, investments, and portfolio size reveal far more about your true financial reality than income ever will. People smile when you share your wealth milestones, but mentally, they begin calculating. They guess your liquidity, your net worth, your future earning power, your risk tolerance, and even your vulnerabilities. But here is the uncommon psychological truth. The moment people know your net worth, they no longer see you for who you are. They see you for what you have. Most people reveal their investment numbers out of excitement or because they want to inspire others. But inspiration can quietly turn into comparison, jealousy, or expectations. Wealthy individuals rarely discuss how much they have in brokerage accounts, retirement portfolios, high-yield savings, rental assets, or dividend-generating ETFs. Why? Because privacy protects discipline. When no one knows your numbers, no one can judge your choices, question your progress, or pressure you to change your lifestyle. Number 3. Never reveal your future money goals. This is one of the biggest stealth wealth traps. You may think you're just casually saying, "I bought a $1,200 phone," or "I only travel once a year," or "I prefer premium restaurants." But every piece of spending information paints a detailed picture of your financial ecosystem. People can calculate your income bracket, your disposable capital, your investing comfort, and even your stress levels simply by analyzing how you spend. A lesser-known consumer research study found that spending patterns allow analysts to estimate a person's net worth with surprising accuracy. If big corporations can decode you from your receipts, imagine how easily individuals can do the same. But the problem goes deeper. When people know your spending habits, they adjust their expectations accordingly. If you spend freely, they expect you to continue. If you're frugal, they assume you struggle. If you upgrade, they expect you to match that level everywhere. Ask yourself, what does this detail reveal about my wealth? If the answer is anything beyond zero, stay quiet. And this leads perfectly into the next point, which reveals how your financial thinking can become a weakness if shared too openly. Number 4. Never reveal your financial strategies. Behind every wealthy person lies a strategy, the structure of their stock portfolio, their risk management philosophy, their real estate approach, their ETF allocation, their long-term investing behavior. But the moment people know your strategy, something psychological happens. They stop observing you as a person and start judging you as a prediction. If you invest in high-growth stocks, they wait for your wins and your crashes. If you focus on dividend stocks, they label you conservative. If you build a real estate portfolio, they count the markets for you. Revealing strategy invites opinions, and opinions dilute discipline. The wealthy understand that strategies lose power when exposed, because exposure brings interference. Even worse, some people begin subtly competing with you or copying your moves. And if they fail, guess whom they blame? You. You don't owe the world your blueprint. Share results, not recipes. Let your portfolio grow quietly while others debate loudly. Number 5. Never reveal your income sources. Multiple income streams, whether rental income, dividend income, business revenue, freelance work, online assets, royalties, or ETF distributions, are signs of financial strength. But revealing them exposes the architecture of your wealth. People suddenly realize how stable or unstable you are. They start estimating your net worth, your risk levels, your time freedom, and your earning potential. Here's a subtle psychological truth most people don't know. When people know how you make money, they feel entitled to comment on how you should use it. If one income stream collapses, they ask questions. If one grows, they form expectations. If your income diversifies, jealousy appears. Wealthy people know that income sources are vulnerabilities, not because the income is weak, but because the judgment around it is unpredictable. When others don't know where your money comes from, they cannot create stories about your life. Number 6. Never reveal your financial weaknesses or mistakes. The world loves vulnerability, but only when it doesn't involve money. Financial vulnerability is treated differently. When you confess, "I once drowned in debt," or "I lost $30,000 in crypto," or "I made a terrible real estate decision," people don't remember your growth. They remember your failure. That failure becomes a lens through which they see your future decisions. You'll hear subtle comments like, "Are you sure you want to invest again? Didn't you lose money last time?" Maybe finance isn't your strength. Sharing weaknesses feels honest, but it builds a narrative about your competence. The wealthy share lessons privately and wisdom publicly, never the raw wounds. Mistakes are teachers, not topics of gossip. Number 7. Never reveal where your real money is kept. Your financial ecosystem, your brokerage accounts, your bank accounts, your digital assets, your retirement portfolio, your real estate holdings, is the blueprint of your wealth. Revealing where your money lives is like handing someone the blueprint to your castle. They may never enter it, but they now know exactly where the walls are thin. If someone knows you're heavily invested in tech stocks, they'll flood you with negative news every time the market dips. People can manipulate you without ever touching a dollar. They just have to influence your confidence. Here's a rare psychological truth. Financial influence often begins with financial information. The less they know, the more protected your decision-making becomes. The wealthy protect their accounts the way cybersecurity experts protect passwords, quietly, consistently, and without exception. Number 8. Never reveal your philosophy of wealth. This is the final and most overlooked stealth wealth rule. Your philosophy of money, how you think, how you invest, how you evaluate risk, how you manage compounding, how you handle market cycles, how you pursue financial freedom, is the invisible engine behind every dollar you grow. Your philosophy is priceless. It's shaped by years of experience, your wins and losses, your study of markets, your understanding of value, your emotional resilience, and your exposure to economic cycles. When you reveal your philosophy, you reveal your psychological blueprint. People begin influencing you, sometimes subtly, sometimes forcefully. That approach is too conservative. You should take more risks. Why wait so long? Enjoy your money now. Suddenly, voices start shaping your thinking. Doubt creeps in. Conviction weakens. What was once your personal compass becomes a public debate. Here's the hidden truth. When people understand how you think, they learn how to influence your choices, even unintentionally. The wealthy protect their philosophy because mindset is the foundation of wealth. Protect the foundation, and everything built on it stays strong. In every video, I try to discuss and address the factors that surely improve the chances of your success. If you like this also, subscribe the channel, like and share the wealthy knowledge to your loved ones, and type "I invest in me" if personal growth is your priority. If you're curious about 10 little decisions, determine your money game, that's exactly what I cover in the next video. See you there.